What's going on, everybody? All right, we're going to be doing another box break. This time it'll be for a Hit Parade 2020 Hit Parade Sapphire Basketball Series 1 box. Picked these up from David Adams, and supposedly there's some really good hits in these. And so let's open it up and see what we get. This one here, box 7 of 50. So yeah, there's only 7 of these, 50 of these total, and it's supposed to be some amazing stuff. So let's take a look. All right, haven't seen too many of the basketball ones. They had a couple breaks. I think a Zion came out of it, which was pretty amazing. Let's see. Who is this? Okay. All right. So what we have here. Shaquille O'Neal. This is 2018-2019 Panini Contenders Basketball Historic Rookie Ticket. This is the Prism, or the, I don't know if there's like a special variant version. But Shaquille O'Neal rookie autograph, rookie ticket. And is this like the Mojo version? I'm trying to see if there's like a marking. But you see right there, normally it's this is the cracked ice. If this is like the cracked ice version or whatever, I'm not too familiar with these, but 2018, 2019. Was he a rookie? No, he's not. There's no way. Okay, so no, that's okay. It's just a historical rookie. This is not actually his rookie. That would have been sweet if these existed back in the days when he was a rookie. Nope, this is this year's 2018, 2019 Shaquille O'Neal. I don't know how much this is. Let's take a look. I'll be right back. I gotta check. All right, I'm back. So did some research. There was only 2 of them. This is the cracked ice version, and it is numbered to 15. This is number 5 of 15. You can see the numbering right there. Okay. So the cracked ice, there is one that's up right now for $499. There's one that's sold for what it was a best offer, and that one sold for $349. Best offer, we don't know what the best offer is. So unfortunately, I would assume it's less than $349 that this sold for. So I'm guessing maybe $200 to $250 for this. So not bad. I mean, not bad. It's a $500 box, but you know, sometimes you hit it big, sometimes you don't. But not too shabby. What do you all think? Let me know. What do you think this is worth? Yeah, let me see if it's worth sending in for grading. These are hard to get in good condition, I'm assuming. So I'm gonna assume no. It looks like there's a couple corners that are not too perfect. Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna voice over here because again, I still don't know why Splice is fading my volume as I go through. But anyways, also quick update. I did sell this card and ended up only getting $175 for it. So unfortunately, it's a loss, but maybe next time. All right, so appreciate it as always. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Thanks.